Okay, so what we're gonna do here is make a copycat of Starbucks medicine ball. Besides coronavirus right now, it is sick season, flu, cold, allergy season's coming up. So this is really soothing for the throat. It's also good for clearing sinuses because it has some mintiness to it. So these are the basic ingredients: water, lemonade. You can make fresh lemonade if you have lots of lemons, but I went ahead and bought Simply Lemonade. You can use any brand, and you can also get the lower sugar one, like the light version, if you want to lower the sugar in this recipe. Tevana is the go-to brand for the two kinds of teas we're gonna be putting in here. This one's the Jade Citrus Mint, and they also have one called Peach Tranquility, which should be the second tea, but my market was out of that. So instead I'm using this Country Peach Passion from Celestial. Same thing, it's a peach herbal tea, and that's what we want, is that peach flavor. And then we're gonna be using peppermint. You can get peppermint extract, peppermint flavor. They even have a peppermint syrup. And those are the basic ingredients on this one. For this particular recipe, I'm gonna be making a 16-ounce serving. That's kind of your tall mug size, like the insulated mugs. So you can cut it in half if you want, but 16 ounces is the yield on this particular recipe. So what you want to do is a cup of water, and then we're going to do a cup of lemonade in that. We're going to steep our 2 tea bags in that mixture, and then we're going to add the peppermint, and that's it. Okay, so in our pot we have the 1 cup lemonade, 1 cup water. I threw in the peach tea and the jade citrus, and do you see how it just kind of started to come up to a boil? So I'm going to turn that off as soon as you start to see those bubbles, and then I'm going to just let those tea bags steep in there for about 1 to 2 minutes to kind of get the flavor. Maybe 2 to 3, intensify it a little bit. And then here's where you can add your peppermint drops if you want to. Some people don't like that pepperminty flavor in there, but that peppermint is what really helps the nose, the nasal stuff that could be going on. So just be careful, add a tiny bit, and then you can always add more if you want, but a little bit of that goes a long way. It's pretty powerful stuff. All right, so enjoy your medicine ball. Hopefully it helps with sick season.